Welcome to a Systems for Dentists training video. My name is Graham, and in this session we're going to look at how to use patient self-check-in. Self-check-in is an additional option which can be added to a practice's contract. To use it, it requires only two things: that the practice has a touchscreen computer and that the patient has an appointment booked. In this case, we'll book an appointment for our patient Reese as usual. With that complete, they appear in our appointment book. If we now move to our self-check-in screen, once Reese arrives, they choose Touch Here to begin. The patient is then asked a series of questions which can be configured by the practice. With this information entered, the system has now identified Reese. They are advised to take a seat and wait to be called to surgery. When we return to our appointment screen, we can see that Reese has been marked as present. And in addition to this, the performer is notified of Reese's arrival by the gingerbread man in the top right hand corner of the screen. Thank you for watching. For more FAQs and videos, please see our website. For any other questions or support requests, don't hesitate to call.